pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic, it's iconic. With this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never
If you hang right a little bit, there's a better step up. You ain't got a front locker? Huh? You ain't got a front locker?
Back up a little bit. It?
Do you want to winch or you want to back down and then, but this loops over. Your call.
Want to winch it?
Can't.
Yeah,
no more than the Wolverine can handle.
You need like a front locker for it, man. It's only spinning one tire.
I can lock it in.
Yeah, try locking it in.
I got diff lock.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was only spinning the one tire.
Yeah.
So the one.
Go ahead, we'll winch up. It's a lot easier. Put it right on the back of his talon.
Yeah. I figured this would be a good little spot for all of them. Old Talon coming in. Look, make sure it's in park. Grab my beer, I guess. Keep. Talon's starting to slide. Hey, that's right. Hey, you made it up here.
Yeah.
I count it.
I don't mind getting pulled out by a Honda.
rather see you get lynched.
We got a good sized group. Everybody else can make it up here, I think. to bump it. You back up a little bit. Yeah, if you back up a little bit and bump it hard, you should be able to get over it. Bump it real hard.
You gotta be over this one.
Back, hey.
Your back tire.
Go back. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. Keep going. All right. Bump it hard.
Hit it hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come this way.
Try, yeah.
Alright, turn your wheel this way. Bump it.
Oh.
Close.
Damn.
You wanna winch it? You wanna winch it?
Hey, you gotta touch the dick. You gotta touch the dick first. He's got buckle jeans on, dude. Alright.
Go around.
That's all.
That's what he's doing.
See you bye. Goddamn side by side. I would hit that on my quad. 100%.
Yeah, I'd probably send it on a quad too.
Easy.
Alright, so one's down. Who's next? You got a good line.
Easy with that. Keep pulling. Make sure you don't start coming with it.
Woo!
Hey, watch your wheel.
Yeah! Oh!
Good.
Hold up. Let me put my beer away. No, you gotta go underneath the tire.
A bit.
A little bit more.
Yep. Good.
Easy.
Keep winching.
You gotta keep winching.
Keep winching as you're doing it.
Winch and just barely.
Hey,
Slow.
yeah, get that winch tight.
Yeah, get that winch
You're
tight.
stuck on this rock back here, so
Winch tight.
yeah.
Keep going.
Keep going.
winching.
Keep winching.
Winch again.
Yeah, keep winching. There you go.
Easy.
Let that winch work.
Let that winch work. Fuck. You're tired. Let the winch go. Go ahead and tighten your winch.
Alright, come on.
Hey, where are you going?
Come up.
Hey, where's he going? Where's he going?
Probably the same place I'm going.
Whatever. Next.
Bring it. Send it. Touch the wheel hard. Other way.
Cut.
Oh shit.
Roll back a little bit, and then Yeah, roll back a little bit and then cut it. Alright.
Cut it. Now cut it hard.
There you go.
You're hung up on a tree behind you.
Yep.
Now, keep
There you
it
go.
forward this way and give her help.
Give her the beat. Hook her up.
Now back
What?
up
You
just
got
in front
it.
here.
Yeah, roll back a little bit.
A foot.
You get that
Yeah.
tree.
Until you hit the tree, yeah.
Now, hey, didn't nail it.
Keep it cut to the right.
Yeah, nail it.
Keep walking this way. But if
Give her help.
if he-
Nail it.
Oh, what the hell is that? I know you got more than that.
Brake torque.
Let me get back out, get you close to that tree. You know what? You went up when it was dry.
I know. I came right the fuck up.
Yeah. You guys did slim a tire.
I told him, I was like, the two behind us are going to tear it up.
Yeah.
The next people aren't.
Hold on. That's good. Hold on.
Hey, he got it all fucking wet. He came up first.
Yeah.
How you gonna fuck the bigger guy?
Hey, I wasn't going nowhere.
Hey, thank God for that fucking talent up there on top of the hill.
Whoever drives that's a fucking bitch.
Look how easy that was.
Keep winching.
I'm good.
I'm just saying, keep sucking it in so you ain't running it over.
Yeah.
Hey!
Keep sucking it in. Hey, where you going?
Jeff, goddammit!
Son of a
Get
bitch.
ready!
Did you come to an off-road park to drink beer, or did you come to an off-road park to go off-road?
Hey, I tried.
Look, they got that big closed.
It's a shower curtain. I asked him, he's like, it's a shower curtain.
Notice all the players are skipping the rock session.
Yeah, because they break too many axles.
This dude's been trying like hell to get up that hill. Yeah, because you guys pin it. Oh my God! The whole group just dipped out on us.
Hell yeah!
Dude, the whole group just dipped out on us.
Where'd they go?
I don't know.
I thought they were with us.
You're done.
Yeah, you're done.
Yeah.
You're done.
We're here today.
Please, Judy, can we be in it?
spiral.
It's hard. Sorry, but damn, we about ran her over.
This is a double winch.
Hey, you want to pull yours up?
Huh?
What? Pull yours up.
They need to go from behind.
That's what she said.
Let's see how many razors we can get stuck in the hole.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it, baby. Come on. Hold that. Now drive it back in the hole. Yeah, let's say it again. His front right axle's broke.
Oh shit.
Oh, he's still riding.
Well, that one's still spinning.
Yeah, front left. You got 3-wheel drive. He's back up.
You need to straighten your wheels.
Now go forward.
Sorry, now that
Oh my god. Keep going back.
There you go.
Fuck that. Leave that motherfucker in that. What they say is axle broke. That never happened.
So Jimmy and Carolyn invited me back to their hotel room, and they're going to go get Mexican food, which I'm down for anytime, even though I had Mexican food last night. But oh my goodness, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.
See the